Right, so this is my latest invention. It's not quite finished yet, but I have a fast USB charger and I've made my own blank that sticks out a little bit and the phone fits in like that. So it works for any phone, and as you put the phone in, you just need to press it down and there it is. So I need to probably do, see that's moving with the whole thing, so maybe this is not strong enough for a phone, I don't know. But the issue that I have right now is that once you plug the USB, the phone won't go in. So I probably need to move everything a little bit further out so that you can actually plug the USB. But the nice thing about it is that this is two parts, so I can just detach this part and print another one of these, which will be slightly modified again. And I've made it with a bit of a gap here, which I'm hoping that I may be able to fit it in this slot. I've not tested yet, but you can see there's quite a bit of an area pushing forward in here. So I don't know if this will work or not. The more it sticks out, the less likely it is of holding the weight. So I can't make it stick out a lot. My other option is to make a double and it clips in twice in here. Or even potentially something that will replace the clock, because we know that no one can see the clock. I have the option ultimately of making something that clips on the clock as well as these two, and then it just uses up that space, which may or may not be in the way to somebody. You can see that there's quite a bit of space, but do you really want to try to touch a phone around there when you got the steering wheel and the indicators on the way? So that's my preferred method, and I'm gonna slightly modify it again, and then eventually, probably the next iteration, will have a button here so that I can switch on and off the charging. Only last thing to note is this thing here can actually fit the wires. So the way it works ultimately is that once you slot that in, it can be charged as long as the charging port is in the middle of the phone, which I believe most phones are. So with a little bit of luck, I will have something done by the end of the week that is fully functional. Right now this holds a phone, so I can fit it, and this will be an upgrade to my previous charger, which was an adapted AC charger. Now I still have plans for this, but this unit is a slow charging USB one, where the one installed there is a fast charging one. Now this cannot keep up with a phone that is using GPS, where that one should be able to keep up and charge very slowly when the GPS is on, which means navigation. And when it's not on, it should charge, relatively fast compared to a normal one, but it won't be anywhere near as fast as the specialized branded ones that you have on the wall, because the unit itself can only operate against USB standards. It won't operate against the brand of the phone standards that will charge a lot faster. So yeah, that's my update for the moment, and well, we'll see how things go.